Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change resolution on a Philips TV. So the first step is check current resolution. So press the info or option button on your remote, then the current resolution will be displayed on the screen. The second step is adjust picture format, the aspect ratio. So if the image looks stretched or cut off, just adjust the picture format. So press the home button on your remote, then navigate to the setup, then go to the picture settings, then go to the picture format. After that, choose one of the following. You will find four type of aspect ratio, that is autofill, the best for full screen content, and auto zoom that can adjust size automatically, or 16:9 widescreen, that this is the standard HD format, and unscaled or the native, so displays content in its original resolution. So you can just choose one of them following here this aspect ratio here. Then the third step is change resolution from external devices. So since Philips TVs adjust resolution based on the source, you may need to change the settings on your external devices. So if you have connected any external devices like cable box or satellite receiver, then go to the settings, then the display resolution, and select the 1080p or 4K if your device supports it. So then the gaming consoles like the PS5 or Xbox or ADC, like this any type of console, so you just need to navigate to the display settings and choose the highest available resolution. After, if you have connected any streaming device just like of Fire Stick, Roku, or Apple TV, etc., then change the resolution in the devices settings, devices display settings, so it will automatically change it for the streaming devices also. Now the fourth step is enable UHD for 4K Philips TVs only. So if you have a 4K Philips TV and want the best quality, then press home on your remote, then go to the settings, then go to the general settings, then you will find HDMI Ultra HD. So enable it for the correct HDMI port. Then the fifth step is, this is the last step if it's needed, so you can just reset your picture settings. If the resolution is still isn't right, then you can just press menu on your remote, then go to setup, then reset the default picture settings, then confirm and restart your TV. So that's how you can just reset your picture settings, so it will just set the picture settings to the default settings on your Philips TV. So that's how you can just change the resolution on a Philips TV. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.